Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Coach Misha and today I'm going to show you how to do mountain climbers properly, show you some common mistakes to avoid and tell you more about the benefits of this great exercise. So first you're going to make sure you are in a nice plank position. Make sure your hands, your wrists are right under your shoulder joints, your toes flexed, chest up, neck neutral. Make sure your upper body, hips and legs create nice straight line. From here, keeping this nice plank position, you'll bring your one knee forward. The range of motion really is based on your flexibility. So from here again, you bring your leg forward. One is down, you're gonna switch and alternate your legs. The most common mistakes are bringing your hips way too high, bending your elbows, or having your hands and wrists not under your shoulders. Overall, mountain climbers is a great total body exercise. It works your core muscles because you're in a plank position. Your shoulders and triceps are also engaged to keep your upper body stable. When you move your legs, your hips are also engaged. And when you add some speed to this exercise, it also improves your cardiovascular endurance. Thanks for watching. Make sure you add this exercise to your workout, and I'll see you in the next video.